Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good.
Nice, very nice. Okay, everyone, please turn on your camera. Barira just woke up from sleep.
Yep.
Ooh, Barira. Others, please turn on your camera. Please don't make me say this every day. You're supposed to come and turn on. See how Barira has turned on her camera. Hi, Ishan.
Ishan has disappeared like a ghost. Hiya!
Hiya is here. Yes, hiya.
And Ali. I'm just gonna call him Ali since he has Ali. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Turn on your camera, please.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Now, wait a second.
Let's do one thing.
Hiya, you know like that card thing which we had to do and show each other?
Oh, I want every one of you to do one thing. But before that, those who are not turning on the camera, I'll not give attendance.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Amila. Good morning, Ihan, Jawan. Hi.
Amila.
Hi. Hi, Aya. Okay, everyone, take your classroom. And in that, there's auditorium. Check whether you are able to join auditorium. Whether you have.
Yeah. Ma'am, I have already auditorium.
You have? Okay, good. Everyone just.
I also have. I can join auditorium.
Yes.
I have
Me
joined.
too. I can also join auditorium.
I can also
Amila, ready?
Why ready? Today your assembly is there, right?
Yeah.
See, second hour you have to join to auditorium for assembly.
I'm not prepared for this.
You won't have class today during the second hour.
I have invitation from the teacher.
I'm supposed to say,
Join, Ishan.
if you want, I can show you my story.
See, as soon as Alpha event start, Amila start, put as many hearts you like, okay? We will encourage them during kindness assembly.
We're also going to be there?
Definitely, I'm also
Yeah.
going to be there. All of you are also
No, are we
The
going to
whole
go?
school will be
Second
there.
hour we are not having class.
I can't wait for us to press.
I'm a baby brother. I'll just.
One second, let me just say this, so just in case if you guys don't hear. See, right after the first hour, second hour, you have to join auditorium, okay? The class you're supposed to join is auditorium. We are having kindness assembly today during the second hour. Please don't confuse, don't join here. You have to go to auditorium. Sounds good? In the second hour. So lucky you guys, there's no class in the second hour.
Ma'am,
Yes.
does that mean that the second period is cancelled?
It's not cancelled, it is shifted to auditorium. You won't have class.
In the second period, you will be, me and Amila will be doing the kindness assembly. You guys will be the audience.
Good job.
The whole school will be there.
Yes.
And the whole KG1 is there.
Everyone will be there. Everyone.
FIG.
Lazel, just check whether you have permission for auditorium, that you are able to join auditorium. We have an event there to do. Just check the classroom.
I have auditor. Wait, is it here? Is it when instead of club we're supposed to join this period? I mean the auditorium.
Yes,
Okay.
instead of club today you're supposed to join auditorium. Also next club, bring some color papers, okay?
I have all of the color papers.
Next
I don't have color papers. Why is color
paper?
We are going to make some creative things during next Friday. So color paper, scissor, gum. 3 things. Can you get that?
Color paper, scissor, cups.
Gum.
You mean glue?
Yeah, any gum. Fevicol maybe. Or any other gum.
You have a blue color paper and scissor. And can you report that in classroom? And also blue.
Glue, then A4 sheets. You will have A4 sheets, right?
What is A4 sheet? Just normal size paper? Okay, that one. No, that's send it in classroom.
Ma'am, should I show you my story?
Sure.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for the auditorium, that will be right now.
Not now, second hour. When you have club period, right? Instead of club, you will join auditorium. Maya is
But I'm
saying.
Dr. Park. Should I take the color papers and the stuff that you
Today,
said?
Ishan, next
Should I
club,
take it
next
on the
Friday.
Sam? Welcome, respectful people.
Ishan, next Friday, okay?
Welcome, respected principal, teachers, and fellow students.
You can just read it, let it be. We are only.
What does fellow students mean? What is fellow?
Student means you guys. You guys are fellow
Uh,
students.
Why?
Fellow means those who are studying with him.
Oh, we're studying with him.
So you are his fellow students.
And my name is Mohammed Al Fateh, and I'm
Al-Fatih,
today
you have to read this.
Yeah.
a story about kindness, the power of kindness.
Are you presenting this in one or are you opening it in another tab?
Presenting in a tab.
You're not looking at it in front of people and presenting it. What about you guys? The names are fixed, right? Those who want to participate for mini news reporter. Anyone else wants to join?
No, but then yesterday, Milan nor Barira was there for the spelling bee. Barira didn't say. Milan is not here. He will in the second period and he will confused. Where am I? I am in here. No one is. And Barira, are you going to Are you gonna come to the spelling bee? No. There's a spelling bee in this school on 5th November. I don't get it. You know spelling bee, like when teacher tells you a word and then you have to spell it. Oh yeah. There's a competition, so are you coming? I don't know, but maybe. It's in class.
12, November 5.
November 5.
We have mini reporter. November 12 is the spelling bee.
Yeah. Are you coming? Like if we come.
Ishan, do you want to participate?
Ma'am, I won't be able to join the news reporter.
Lazy. Al-Fatih, I have given your name. Aishin, Barira, Jovan, Paya, and Al-Fatih, Amila, and Milan. These many people.
Hey, you know like that. Barira, are you coming to the news reporter? No. Ma'am, I'm not the news reporter. Should we? I am going to be. But first, tell the teacher.
Ishan is asking something. Let's hear him out. Yes, Ishan.
Yes. Ma'am, you should say only one or two sentences, right?
You can complete it as many as you want. If you want to complete it both.
I'll just say the forecast.
Ishan, do you want to participate?
In the news report.
Would be fun.
How much will it take?
Just 2 minutes. Any one news article.
Okay, I will participate. I will.
Okay, I'm going to give you a name. Sounds good? And
Yeah.
Okay. But Barira, do you want to participate in any?
Yeah,
Barira,
I am in both of them. I'm participating in both of them.
you are
Yeah, I am in both of them.
you are in.
I am in both of them.
Jovan is there in mini news reporter. Jovan, do you want to participate?
Baira, you can join Baira. It's so fun.
Barira, I think you should
Yes,
join.
please.
It would be nice. I think Barira is
Yeah,
not
the
able to
spelling.
join. Barira, can you type
Yeah.
in the chat box if you're not able to speak up? She's typing.
Which one?
Tell the team as well.
I think you should do the spelling bee because that's gonna be much more fun than a report.
I think you should do both.
So much challenge stuff. Her mic.
You can type
Sa-
in the chat
Type
box, Farida.
in the chat box. It's open.
It's open. Which one do you want to do?
The spelling bee or the news reporter.
Or both? We have option.
Yeah, you can also do both. Like me, I would do the both.
Maya is there in both. Amila is there in both. Aishna is there in both. I think Alfate was also there in both.
I know, Barira, it's your mic. I know your mic.
That is Amila, not Barira.
Oh, it's a Barira.
Okay, today ma'am is waiting people. Come on.
Oh, you mean the news reporter?
News reporter?
Yeah.
Farida. It's on November 5th, okay, Farida? November 5th. News reporter. Okay, people.
How about the spelling bee?
That is
The spelling bee will be sad. She will be sad. Milan told me there's something kind of sports thing in
Number 15, okay,
Why
Barira?
not?
November 5, not 15, November 5.
Number 5.
But then
People,
the spelling bee will be sad.
But then,
Ma'am, but the spelling bee will be sad.
no,